Millen from AV King. We've got this height adjustable stand which can be set up, as you can see here, with a standard 75-inch screen, or it also supports the touch screen, so that will lift anywhere up to 100 kilo display. You can see it going up slowly there. It can go up and down by 30 centimeters. And in the other room here we do have one of the IFPs on demo with some remote connectivity functions, so I'll show you what that looks like also. This system here is called a screen beam. We've got that set up temporarily just off to the side there, but it can be mounted to the screen. We also support systems that have dongles which can offer a little bit more functionality. The screen beam is this unit here, hooked up via USB and HDMI. So we can demo that on this laptop here. Wireless display, sorry you might have missed that. And just clicked here. And once that connects up to the screen, because this one supports the USB touch, we will be able to do everything we could do on our laptop now on our touchscreen wirelessly. Obviously the wireless does have some limitations compared to plugging it in. It's not quite as responsive, of course, as if you just had it plugged directly into your computer. As you can see, things move on the screen, but it's just a little bit delayed compared to plugging it in with leads. Likewise, this particular system supports multiple touch, so you can do pinch to zoom as you would expect to do with a regular touchscreen. Again, a little bit delayed, and you can also use the whiteboarding software on your computer, and that will allow you to do any sort of whiteboard presentation. I'll see if I can zoom this out so you can see me a little bit better. So as you can see there, we could select our pen and write on the screen itself. A little bit delayed, as I mentioned, because it is wireless. If you plug that in with a cable, it is much more responsive. But as I mentioned, this one does support multiple points of touch, so you can actually draw multi-point touch with that unit as well. But again, plugging in with cables is always a much better result with the IFPs. That is the basic screen beam. We do also sell an advanced one, which is a lot larger than that, which does limit your delay and things like that, but obviously, as I'm trying to state in this video, anything that you do with an IFP with a touchscreen, if you can plug it in with a cable, it is going to be more responsive than if you use any of the wireless systems. But we do support, as I mentioned, the Action Tech product, which are screen beams. We support all the A-Link range, and we also support the ClickShare, Barcode ClickShare systems, which are generally much more reliable, but they are only single touch points at this stage. AV King if you'd like more information.